boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, April the 7th, 2023, almost Easter. Sundays it's Easter, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudokus. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, and this one you are interested. Yes, it's the binary puzzle. Number, this will be number 6243. Yeah, 6243. Four, 3. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, a lot, 24, but not as last time, more than 30. Anyway, 24, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, of course, in the third row, so the rest are O's. Yeah. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the second row, so the rest are O's. It's not challenging this puzzle, not a challenge. Here we have also 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 double O, here 1, there 1. Well, this is so wasting of newspaper, wasting of paper, of ink. So easy to solve. This is rubbish. Yeah, disappointing. Publisher need more difficult ones. Not too easy. Well, in 3 minutes, I believe. Yeah, in 3 minutes. Without comparing. Alright, thank you for watching. And if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. I understand if you thumbs down, give a thumbs down, but so easy. I hope next time the publisher will publish a more challengeable puzzle. Yeah, challenging. Yeah. Thank you. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. Has 11. Yeah, this one has 11 printed digits. The tectonic. So I hope that one will be a more enjoyable puzzle. Alright, thank you. See you then. Bye bye for now.